Hello, I'm in a 2003 Toyota 4Runner. Today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down here and you should see this release lever. This you'll pull, and then you should pop the safety that holds it shut. And if this is loose or not connected, that might be something you need to address with that cable. But now that we pulled that, we can head up to the front. You should see the hood slightly loose now. And here, there's a lever right here, so I'm going to push up and lift. So push and lift. It's got these nice hydraulics that are helping hold it up. But this is what that lever looks like I was pushing. Make sure nothing's bent or broken. If this is sticking a lot, you might need some WD-40 to loosen this. And then it runs up to that. And then down here is where that safety was. And also double check that your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could cause you issues too. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a great day.